I've been selling this building for more than a decade, and I've lived in this building for almost 2 decades. And this apartment is like no other. It has this feeling of downtown superimposed on a building from 1911, and that's what's really wonderful about it. This apartment was designed actually by a product designer. You see some of these thoughtful elements like the remote control blinds that go up from the bottom or down from the top. There's a washer and dryer that you don't even see hidden behind the cabinet doors. There's a cedar closet that was put in, which is not native to this building. There's even a home office that could double as a storage space. One of the things I really like about this apartment, which is actually unlike any other apartment I've seen in this building, is that there are 2 wings, each with their own bedroom and with a bathroom. And so you could have people living with you and you actually would never have to see them. There's even a second door so they could slip out and you'd never know. This apartment is designed for people with particular kinds of sensitivities. There's filtered water in the kitchen, but there's also filtered water in the bathroom. There are people who hate old floors because even though they're beautiful, they creak. But these floors are new, they're walnut, and there is no creaking as you walk across them. This building was actually built not long after the subway came here in 1904, and that was part of actually what stimulated the development of this neighborhood. We're also a block from the Henry Hudson Parkway. There's the exit to the George Washington Bridge, that's 1 stop away. So if you don't leave town, there are lots of things to do around here. There's a bike path along the river, there are tennis courts, even a couple museums right around here. This is all I'm going to tell you about this apartment and this building. You've got to come up here and see it for yourself.